This is Ninh Binh, often called Halon Bay on land due to its towering limestone set on the scenic Red River Delta. This place is dotted with Buddhist temples and stunning nature such as rice terraces that will make you forget about Bali.
Look at this. Beautiful.
In this video, I'll take you into a 72 hours exploration of this less traveled area. Enjoy!
Ninh Binh 2024, welcome. Yeah, very cute little town. Finally some good food. Back to the good food because in Nigeria the food was disgusting.
First stop is Tràng An, UNESCO World Heritage. This is recognized for its natural importance and is such a pristine experience. It's serene, and here you can visit some caves, go to the temple, and it's quite affordable. For $10 you have stunning landscape, history, and some culture. Ninh Binh is often called the spiritual heart of Vietnam. It used to be the first capital, called Ho Ha Lu, sorry for the pronunciation, but it was 1,000 years ago. And then there was Vietnamese kings that were ruling the country. And they built these temples around cliffs and mountains because this is a sacred site. So it cleans all the bad spirits. And there was also a way to hide from the invaders. Vietnamese people are very respectful of their ancestors. So they use now this site to come and pray for healing, happiness, and bring some positive energy into their lives.
I got some kind of VIP access. Okay. Now the ticket to this Tam Coc island, which is part of the tour, but it's like a little extra. So let's see. What's that about? It looks beautiful. I think the goal is to go and see those huts over there.
Tam Coc is a representation of how the inhabitants of Tràng An used to live. So they used to live in this hut house type of house, and it shows what kind of traditions they were going through, the way they were cooking, the way they were living, just to teach tourists what was happening there in the past. And then outside there's like some entertainment going and with some traditional dancing. I found it a bit underwhelming, to be honest. But I guess good to know. It was only $1 extra from the tour. The tour, so in total the tour is like $10.
The next day.
My kitty. Look at this view. Beautiful. Goats are the main thing that they eat here, and so you find pho with goats, especially, and you have people on the side of the road selling goats and stuff. That's ridiculous. So that's where we're going over there. Thank you, come on. Thank you so much. Vietnamese is come on. Yeah, 20,000 per parking. You are rich here in Vietnam. They have big dongs here. So we have arrived now at Bích Động Pagoda, one of the highlights of Tam Cốc in Ninh Bình.
If you want to visit this place without being harassed by vendors, I will strongly advise to come here for sunrise. The history behind this pagoda is that kings came here to hide and to pray, and it's actually carved into a cliff. As I said before, the mountain is seen as a protection. So naturally, you find a lot of locals as well as international tourists. So let's go and explore and see what is up there. Some offerings.
beautiful landscape. So apparently you can go in a cave. So this woman is gonna take me nicely. Thank you. Yeah. Middle?
Oh, okay.
Oh, I have to wear the torch. Yeah?
Oh,
Wow! It's more like a vagina, but yeah, octopus, yeah.
crocodile.
Crocodile head, yeah. It looks like a crocodile head, yeah. And the reflection is beautiful. Look at that. Well, I don't know if you can see it. Can you see the bats?
Eagle.
Eagle. Oh yeah, eagle. Yeah, eagle head. Eagle head. Yeah, I don't know if you can see those. In the dark, a lot of bats there. But they don't like light, so they escape when you. I would probably leave them alone. And the light comes. Boom. Back in the game. Really dope. Thank you, my friend Camoon. Yeah, that was really super fun. Definitely. If you come to Ninh Binh, do that. See you. Bye. Xin chào. It was so nice. If you're new here, I'm Marlene. I make videos about traveling and photography. And I want to show you that you can travel for less. And also, you don't need to spend a lot of money in equipment to document your photography. So there we go. If you like this format or this kind of video, please subscribe. It always goes a long way. And let's carry on in our exploration of Ninh Binh. You drive a scooter, you rent a motorbike, explore all the temples. Yeah, it's amazing. Look at that, so beautiful. Yeah, definitely don't take any tours because they like to rush you around and then to sell you boat tours and all that crap. You don't need it. You can do everything with a scooter or a bike if you're brave enough because it's quite hot. But look at this. They have all this magnificent Japanese type of temple here. It's pretty amazing. And it's such a peaceful place as well. Yeah, definitely don't skip that when you come to Vietnam. Definitely go to Ninh Binh. Pretty cool. You can have these cafes to sit around there. Very nice. Very peaceful. I'm probably not being peaceful with my motorbike noise, but yeah. It's such a beautiful drive. Wow. Look at this. Beautiful. Very cool. Beautiful this place is. Wow. Now we have finally reached the Bird Valley. We've been a bit delayed here because we encountered a bit of a situation with this wife beater. Tried to call the police and it's waiting. Long story, but these are the crazy things that are happening when you travel. And like nobody, when you don't speak the language, super hard situation right there. But let's enjoy, let's continue this vlog.
The Thung Nham Bird Park is the perfect end of your day in Ninh Binh if you want peace, quiet, relaxation and a lot of beautiful bird spaces at golden hour. This is the perfect recipe for relaxation. In this park you can also take an included boat tour that has also a cave that you go in for less than 20 minutes really. So the ticket to enter this bird sanctuary was 150,000 dong. Big dong over here. And you see here like you have another cave that you can get in, the mermaid cave. I don't really have time for that, like I had done enough caves for the day. I just want to go to the viewpoint now and see some sunset. So the other way, if you can see over there, there's like some boats going on. So this trail leads to the same point that the boats are leading to. If you don't want to take yet another boat, I'd rather do a walk. But
I don't think it's any faster on the boats, to be honest. Yeah, I think we're almost there. Look at this, this is beautiful. Stunning, isn't it? Stunning. Woohoo. Okay, let's eye up and see you up there. We made it to the top. So what's over there? Pretty dope. Worth the hype, worth the hike. I think now we are going to get some food. It's been a long day of shooting and no food. Not really hungry because I had some food poisoning. So I'm trying to be careful what I'm eating. Xin chào. Today, another selfie.
Được không? Được không? Được không?
Selfie? Selfie with this? Hello. Doing this stupid selfie made me notice this beautiful view. Such a beautiful view. And the reflection there, so we'll try to get something. Beautiful place. I love how stuff are so well manicured. Huh? So well manicured. It's very cute. Very pretty. Yeah. Love that. I think were more stuff to do that. But I think I came here too late, which is a shame. But from what I've seen, I'm really happy. Ooh, look at the pool. There's one of a hell of a pool there. Damn. VIP only. Stopping a bit to admire this view and then to try to get a shot of a Vietnamese farmer in the rice field. That's gonna be a fucking amazing shot. We wear a jacket because it's quite windy and there's a lot of bugs coming into my eyes. It's not sunny, but that's the way to do it. But let's admire. Ooh, blue hours. Yeah, let's see that. The sun has set and this is beautiful and peaceful. Wow. Xin chào. Very nice hotel, Japanese style. Very lovely. So this is Tam Coc. Supposed to be the best restaurant in Tam Cok. And this the banh mi, the best banh mi. So I'm in between the two. Maybe I'm gonna start with a banh mi and then finish there. I haven't eaten, I'm hungry and I'm curious about to try this banh mi. To be honest, there's like a waiting list in this An restaurant. So I'm gonna go get the banh mi first and then I'll come back. Yeah, drinking my coconut water to get ready. Look, luckily I'm not the only one who got scammed there, but I'm pretty annoyed about this shit, to be honest. So due to the over-tourism in the area, the people living there have decided that they will make their front area a parking space. So when you drive towards there, there's everyone trying to stop you and to make you park at their place. Tourism capitalism. But the thing is, there's parking inside of the national parks, and it's actually cheaper than what they're offering you from these neighbors. So please don't get scammed. You got this lake full of lotus. Going up there. I'm again a sweaty mess, like in all my travel vlogs, because I like to go to hot places. As I always say, dat was worth the hike. Quite windy here, so that helps to get less tired. I don't know if you can hear me, I'm not even talking in microphone. You see the other one over there? That's what we're doing next. No need to fight about this. Just, yeah, exactly. Yeah, I don't need to be climbing some dragons. That's a bit much for me. Anyway.
I'm gonna die.
I'm not gonna die for you, YouTube, not for you. Seen it.
Oh,
Done and dusted.
Yep.
Okay, now it's time to climb up to the temple. Should be easier. I'm actually in a rush now because I need to go get some food and check out my hotel, but I'm sure they'll be fine. For an hour, they're not gonna say anything. Let's go. Boom, boom. Look where we're coming from. We're coming from up there. Obviously, famous spot for Instagram shots. All right, done with the day. Done for the day. Obviously, when you come to Ninh Binh, don't forget to climb this. It's worth all the hype, worth all the hike. So yeah. So thanks for watching. And as usual, if you find this video interesting, please subscribe. There'll be much more videos about traveling and photography coming up on this channel. So that would be a great help if you can give it a thumbs up and continue the journey with me. Cheers! Live inspired!